Hey everyone, 4Shar here. I bet you weren't expecting a room reveal, but so this box came in. That's my gaming chair. It came in like 4 days ago, and my dumbass has been trying to figure out whether or not I want to either make a video on it or just assemble the thing. And yeah, I figured I'm just gonna go ahead and do it now because I kind of am getting sick of sitting on this shit. But look at all the this is just sad. It's a fucking wooden chair. Let me just fucking toss all this on the ground. Fuck off. You see this shit? Things like falling apart. This part is like just like this is not how a chair arm thing is supposed. It moves. That's not right. Yeah, I've used this for like 4 years now, and my back is like, killing itself. So I figured I'd invest in a better chair. Hopefully, there's no important information on this sticker. I'm gonna blur this just in case there's something important there. But yeah, let's go push this. Actually, I should probably move this clothes out of the way. Get this shit out of here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but we'll be fine. That looks about good. Yeah, I'm gonna go open her up, and I'll probably cut back. So first I need to find my tool. I could use my sword. Yeah, I'll use my sword, why not? Just, a little bit of wee-woo nonsense. Don't accidentally cut myself. Oh, this is fucking stupid. Okay. I'm not left-handed, so my accuracy is a little shitty. Okay, so the recording, like, fucking killed itself as I was swapping hands. But it's fine now. Alright, we're getting into this. Yeah, there's a better way to do this. I'm just not gonna use the sword. This is probably a bad idea. Just gonna lay that over there. Alright, what do we have here? Nintendogs? Oh, my freaking Nerf blaster? Just toss that over there. There she is. Come to Papa. It's almost been a week, technically, because I ordered the chair. It took a while to get here. Now it's just sitting in my room. So it's probably for the best that I just hurry up and get this over with. I was probably gonna wait until 10K to release this video. However, that's gonna take a while, and I want to sit in my fucking chair. Okay, I think I found the magic compartment. It's right here. Just bring my knife down on it. Come on. I hope I'm not accidentally cutting the fucking, like, leather on the chair by doing this. Okay, we're in. Nice. All right. It's like a freaking unboxing video. Let's see. Well, it literally is an unboxing video. Let's see what goodies they have in here. All right, so that's something. Cardboard. Toss that over there. Yeah, this part's kind of heavy. Oh, this is the Neuralink. So I'm gonna call that. I have absolutely no clue what that could be. This is an armrest. Cool. Hopefully they sent the other one too. Yeah, here it is. Okay, both armrests. Nice. This is definitely gonna take 2 hands to do. Oh well. We'll just get all this set up first. Alright, that's the seat. Let's lay this down over here. Alright. What else? Jesus Christ, why is there so much fucking shit? What is this? Fucking shuriken. I can kill somebody with this. Put that on the bed. Get out of the way. Oh, this is heavy. Jesus Christ, what is in this? Yo, what do we got in here? Throwing a little extra for me? Got that YouTuber bonus. Let me put my chair over here. Or my camera. What do we have in here? Okay. Wheels? A lot of metal pieces. I don't like any of this. What the hell is this? What actually is this? It's got a fucking handle. Is it a gun? I could kill a man with this. This is already a mess, and I haven't even started building yet. God damn it. Alright, just open this bad boy up, and it smells pretty nice, actually. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of a nice smell. This thing feels very comfortable, but then again, I've only sat on wooden chairs my entire life, so, like, I think at this point, any new chair is gonna feel good. So I'm looking forward to this when this is all set up. Let's, I'm fairly certain we need to start. There was a fucking instruction manual. What am I doing? Go grab this real quick. Alright, what do we got here? Assembly instructions. Just open this. Okay. Gas lift. That is, I'm assuming, the thing I called a Neuralink. This bad boy right here. Can you fuck off? Okay, oh, these things go on the side of the chair, so it can control its, like, leaning back and forth. Holy shit, this is complicated. Probably not, I'm just, like, stupid. So this is, like, my first time actually recording, like, in the realm of reality. So, I've never recorded, like, using this phone before, so I'm not entirely sure how the audio is gonna come out, but, regardless of whether or not it sounds like shit, I'm probably gonna use it anyways. So, ahead of time, apologies if, the video sounds like doo-doo. Alright, so I just, opened this thing. It looks kinda like a pipe bomb. Alright, okay. Nice! It's been like 15 minutes and we have built the stand. Let's go. Let's get the rest of this done. Align F and M with the holes of the seat, then tighten screws. Align F and M. What the fuck? What is F and M? F. Angle adjuster. Where's M? Connector. Okay. Okay, cool. I think there's somewhere back there, so I'm gonna grab that and assemble this, and I'll be back when all that's set up. Okay, before I get on to doing all this, I'm just gonna actually clean this area up, because, there's so much just fucking shit on the ground, it's kinda ridiculous. Let's fucking fuck off this out of the way. Alright, let's see. That's that here. Alright. And now we need this bad boy to assemble, whatever the fuck this thing was called, the gun. So yeah, now I'll be back when this is set up. Okay, a better fucking idea than just jump cutting everywhere is maybe I should just lean my camera up, like, maybe like right here. You know? I think that'll do good. Right? Is that good? Okay, nice. Oh god, you can almost see me. You guys can almost see me there. Let me angle this like that. Come on, piece of shit. Cool! This is great. This is wonderful. Now you guys can watch me as I struggle to, do this. So, we just now realized what to do with this. It took another, like, 5 minutes. So I was trying to figure out how to align it properly. But, now we know. Now we know. Okay, I have to be using the wrong screws. That's what I think is the issue here. Let me actually just, like, quadruple check real quick. What does it fucking say on this? Let's see. M825. That's what I'm using. Preventing the screws from loosening requires tightening after using a period of time. What the fuck does that even mean? After using a period of time? Hello? Who wrote these instructions? What is this? Why is there like a fucking sweat stain here? It won't go away. Dude, what, did I get like faulty fucking... Oh, that's from me. That's my hand sweating. Jesus Christ. What is wrong with me? These screws right here, the ones I were using, are, M58. These right here are the M825. I've been at it for 15 fucking minutes, right? Trying to get this assembled, not realizing that, the screws I were using were the wrong screws. So, now, right? When I cut back, this fucking shit should be assembled. Well, at least that thing. You know, one part, I've done the stand, and that's it. That's all I've done. It's been like 30 minutes since then. What am I doing? I just want to sit in this chair. Okay, so I made a little bit more progress. I can now do this with one hand, so I'm going to turn back on the little camera. I don't even know why I'm making this video, I'll be honest here. Like, in the back of my mind, I thought it would have been a good, like, interesting content idea to build a fucking gamer chair. But now that I'm actually doing it, this kind of sucks. Like, straight up, this just fucking sucks. Maybe I'm just not a builder, you know? But, like, I mean, come on. I'm building a fucking chair. People really want to watch this? Don't answer that question, because I know someone's gonna fucking say yes. Who am I talking to? That's the real question. Maybe I'm a fucking schizophrenic. I'm not talking to anyone. It's not like I'm streaming. I'm fucking recording. Man, I'm going insane building this chair. That's what it's gotta be. Yeah, I managed to get the covers on. This one's kinda weird. I don't know if that's, like, meant to be like that. There's, like, a bit of a gap right here. God, hold the camera. Yeah, like, right there. See, look at that. I think that's fine. I'm just gonna roll with it. But, yeah, that is the plastic covers in and set. Let's move on to... Oh, we're now working on the bottom. Oh, snap. Here we go. It's like the final boss. Okay. Alright. I'll be back when all of this stuff is set up. Hell, I'll just be back when, like... I have to get to this part right here, where I have to actually set the chair down. So I'm gonna get the rest of this assembled and set, and then we'll see the finished product. Alright, exciting news. We got this stuff all in and attached. Now all we have to do is just combine this with this, and we got ourselves a gaming chair. Obviously, there's no way in hell I'm gonna do this with one hand. I mean, I probably could. You know, I don't just fucked up the recording. I don't doubt my strength, but I definitely doubt my intelligence. Okay. Let me just... Yeah, I don't want to break this. This is a new chair. Yeah, alright. This is gonna take two hands. I will return when all of this is set and done, and then you guys will see the end product. So, yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so this is the finished product. It looks slick as fuck, I'm not gonna lie. Now, was it worth it? Yeah, I don't know about that. I think my back will be in a much better position than sitting on this piece of junk. So, yeah, I'd say it was worth it. All the hassle and mess. Yeah, so this is the chair video coming to a conclusion. So, yeah, that's that. If I post this video at 10k subs, thank you for 10k. However, if I post this before I hit 10k, I don't know what to say here. So, see you guys in the next one, I guess.